Hi YouTube. Say hi, Cord.
Hi.
This is the most epic party ever. And this isn't my den, so no, I'm sorry. So y'all, this is in my den. And if you want to know my user, I throw like a party each day. Now, I used to not throw parties, but now they're really fun. My username is iloveelias, and this demographic is there a party going on. There's a lot of people.
Are there people here? Are there no?
Say hi. Oh, actually, yeah. This is my daughter, Victory Cute Bunny. Say your user if you want to. Wait, why isn't Pootie Pie here? And what the heck? Why did she do that?
Whoa.
She's on the roof! That girl is on the roof. And that guy is blue. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys upstairs. And upstairs, I have these beta teapots, and no one's upstairs right now, but this is the cake room. Eventually we'll have cake time. What the heck? She is dancing in the air. And this is kind of like a wolf party, but all animals are invited, but more wolves are here. And one of my most prized possessions, party. Okay, well, yeah. And if you want to be in my party, or we'll explain how to come. I don't think she knows. Okay, well, if you want to go to my party, message me this Jimmogram. Okay. This isn't the Jamagram, I'm just telling Pootie Pie there's a party in my den. Okay, this is the message you'll have to send me. I'll send it to Pretty Girl. I'm with her right now, though. I'll send it to her. Okay. Send me this Jamagram. And this is the Jamagram you have to send me. Oppa Gangnam Style. There is a guy dancing to Oppa Gangnam Style. Oppa Gangnam Style. Gummy 79. Shout out to Gummy 79. Okay, time for a shout out. Time for shout outs. What? No, you don't have to send me it. Oh. You have to send me it if you want to know if there's a party at my den. Okay, well, time for the shout outs. I'm right here, so if you need me, if you don't know where I am, just look. Okay, right there, remember. Time for the shout outs. Okay, first shout out is to Girl 4044. Pretty Girl 4044. Next shout out is to Pootie Pie Bro 444. Pootie Pie Bro 444. Shout out is to me, I love Elias. Next shout out is to me, I love Elias. And if you want to know my user, there it is. Okay, next shout out is to, where is she? Where is she? Oh yeah, next shout out is to Lady Gaga 1212. Shout out is to Lady Gaga. I don't think that's fair. Lady Gaga. 1, 12, 10. Lady Gaga 12, 10. And I got a message. Lady Gaga 12, 10 is so awesome. And let's see my message. For the bubble thing, what's the bubble thing on your list? Are you crazy?
What?
That's her username. I think she's talking about the Bubble Trump 5000. Okay, you guys tell me. What should I give my Bubbletron 5000 for? Want me to show them all the stuff on my inventory? Okay, this is like a really quick
Should I trade
inventory.
this guy for this headdress for my rare headdress?
I don't think it's fair.
Yeah,
My whole inventory. It's so little yet so big. And I got another message. Lol H and ZB0123. Sky does Minecraft. Oh, thanks, Shauna. Oh, thank you. That's very nice of you. If I get cool stuff on mail time, I'm gonna use it for mail time, definitely. Okay, well, that's it for today. Bye!